Okay. This is our waterfall hike. Nathan and I hiked up an hour just to get to Daddy and Brother. Whew. I'm sweating like crazy because we've been hiking. We did the zip line, and then Nathan and I hiked an hour just to meet Daddy and Brother. Look, this is what we have to walk on. It's so beautiful here. Whew. I was regretting wearing shorts doing the zip lining because I thought they were going to see everything. But with this heat and as much hiking as we're doing, I'm glad I wore shorts. Whew. Gotta climb up. They're going way too fast for my short little legs. Wow. Oh, tastes good. Whew. Look at this. Prepare to get all wet. Daddy's a pro now. All right, tune in. I'm gonna take pictures of and record the waterfall. I'm breathing pretty hard right now.